As we know by now, we live in a medical system where almost everyone sees us as a number and are ready to offer us their service right away. And if this was a retail store business, not a big issue. We buy something we don't need or didn't work as we expected. At most we lose some money and we can always make that money back. But medical treatments that we didn't need in the first place, apart from the cost, might also carry serious consequences for our health. And that is the point of this video. You see, people might offer medical advices based on their own experience or others' experiences they have heard about. Now the problem is that your medical issue is probably different from the person that underwent a treatment that you were recommended, even though some of the symptoms might match, since different conditions do share common symptoms. How do we protect ourselves? Well, we do our own research, but not the traditional way, not the Dr. Google way, where we search something and look at the first 5 to 10 top links where someone is promoting their practice, or a particular lobby has paid advertising to make sure that their service gets ranked at the top of the search results, or some generic results will show. And Google is the worst offender out there, that's why I switched to Yahoo search. So what is the right way to get educated in medical issues? Well, it's the scientific way, and it's very logical if you think about it. We do our research based on quality medical papers published on scientific journals or conferences. Their links might not rank up high in Google search, but there is a website called National Library of Medicine, National Center for Biotechnology Information, from the National Institute of Health. Hopefully the hierarchy is correct. It's the one I've been browsing throughout the video. Here we will either find the full paper published or a link to another source where the full paper can be read. Now, these can be long articles to read entirely, but we can get the main message from the abstract by reading the objectives and conclusions. I encourage you to keep track of your papers by organizing them into collections based on your topic of interest. So, to summarize, when it comes to medical advices, do not trust anyone, especially those who have a business interest. Do your own medical research from official medical or scientific sources, like this digital library. Other sources only count as advertisements. Register your account or log on with your existing Google account on this website and bookmark your articles to build knowledge around the topic, and you and me can hopefully make more informed decisions in the future.